And so I have a...
Hey boys and girls, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. We're at Mike's Stadium Sports Cards. One of our collectors is breaking open a box of 2019-20 Panini certified. Sorry, Jeremy, go right ahead.
No worries.
Okay. Uh-oh, Jano just got hurt. Oh,
No.
he got hurt a lot.
No waste of space in this box.
Jeremy had 20
Like a cracking?
Yeah, it's gonna be bad.
Can you see okay, Mike?
Yeah, I'm good. Certified has one autograph and one autograph relic per box.
Siakam, him. Siakam, Kobe White.
Oh, cool. Yeah, rotate that.
Yes, sir.
Oh, he's that bad, huh?
Yeah, it looks like that may affect our signing with Janovich.
John Collins. Grant Williams, Tajura. Jamal Crawford, Lonzo. Wrong jersey. Bol.
Wrong jersey?
Yeah. No Pelican jersey.
Oh, okay.
Seems like there's fewer cards in packs this year.
How many cards per pack are there? Is it 5?
Yeah.
That's actually, I believe that's going to be pretty standard for certified at least. Who do we have there?
John Wall, Ding. Gold Team, LeBron.
No bad LeBrons.
MPJ. Russell.
Westy, is he wearing a Rockets uniform?
Yes, he is.
So he's wearing a Rockets uniform, but Lonzo is still wearing a Lakers uniform. Okay.
They do what they can.
Right.
You got Andy Janovich.
Oh, okay. Yeah, exactly.
Jamal Murray. Paul George. Luca.
They do. You can speak. It's okay. We can hear you. In fact, if you're whispering, it's kind of creepy. All right, still waiting for our autographed jersey card.
I think it's that pack. Oh, I could be incorrect.
What's this? Oh, you have a guess?
Yeah.
You have an inkling?
Lillard.
Lillard.
Russell. Kimba.
Did you save your dessert for last?
Possibly.
Possibly.
It's one of these two packs. There's a thick one in there. A thick one in there.
Ooh,
So one filler.
One filler, one reality. Found the filler.
He's not covering the center. And they've gotten some bad calls against Minnesota. I'm not complaining or nothing, but
And we got...
Cam Reddish.
That's a nice patch.
Out of no number.
Alrighty, boys and girls, whether you're looking for packs, boxes, or even cases of Panini certified basketball, make it to Mike's. We have your hookup, and maybe you can do this well, or hopefully, well, nothing personal, but hopefully a little bit better. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching. We look forward to sharing more of these soon. Have a great collecting day.